We call this the hit train. Do you want to know how to do this cool trick? Well, sit on your chair, bring yourself some popcorn or whatever you like to eat, and just watch the video. The partner. First, you'll need a friend. If you don't have a friend, well, just get a friend. You'll need someone you get along with. If not, you'll end up failing. The position. This part is easy. It's like taking a shit. Kind of. Bend your knees a little. For the guy in front, separate your legs equally to your shoulders and keep your skis straight. Same goes for the guy in the back, but his legs need to be a little bit more separate. Don't ever try to turn or brake. Finally, the let it go. Now this part is really important. It's what brings the last steps together to create this trick. There's a guy in front and another one in the back. The guy in the front is the guider, the main train. The guy in the back is a wagon. To be successful, the guy in the back needs to grip himself to the guy in front, or else it won't work. Finally,
Just do it!
so now you know how to do this cool trick. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Flip It Guys. Thank you all for watching this video, and we'll see you in another one.